Yuga, female have blessings. Male is rejected. That female will carry more devotion than males. In Kali Yuga, you will see temples are filled with females, and man is drinking, boozing, womanizing, lying, cheating, bluffing, becoming a rogue and telling he's very busy. He has no time. He cannot spare time for God. Not possible, because he's so busy. That's why. Why he's saying like that? They got negative blessing from Kali Yuga. Today is Ekadasi. Ekadasi day, we do not eat any grains. There are 9 kinds of grains minimum. Usually main grains are 9. And we do not eat them on the day of God. Ekadasi is called day of Lord Hari. Hari means Harayati Sarvapapani Yasasa Hari. Because he removes the sins of his dedicated devotee, that's why he is called Hari. So, day of Lord Hari. There are several days of Lord Hari. Janmashtami, Ram Navami, Nrsimha Chaturdasi, Chaitanya Purnima. Like that. On Ekadasi, we don't eat grains. There are Navadhanya. Main grains are 9, plus we do not eat any salt. No normal salt or oil is to be eaten on this day. One who is not allowed to eat ghee should eat food or Ekadasi preparation without oil. No oil, no kind of oil is allowed. Even oil comes from heaven, that is also not allowed, as long as it is called oil. You can eat nuts like cashews, pistachios, peanuts, but you cannot eat oil. Nuts also have oil, but it's not allowed to eat oil as soon as it is turned into oil. Can eat potatoes, sweet potatoes, rock salt and black pepper powder. You can eat. You are not missing anything. You are eating every day. Janame janame sab pita mata paye, Guru Krishna nahi paye, bolo hari aaye. In every birth you had received parents, children, wife, husband, family, relatives. If you were a snake, you had mother and father. You had kith and kin. If you were a monkey, you were an animal, you were a tree, you were a plant, you had parents, source of your birth. Therefore, don't think that you are fasting for something. You are avoiding food because you have eaten food in many births. How many births? No numbers. When did you contact this world? There is no place in the scripture where it says that day you came to this world. Ichhadvesa samuttena dvandvamohena bharata. Yes, there is an incident how you came to this world, but there is no fixed date when you came to this world. So since you had come to this world, you had been eating, sleeping, having copulation, mating and defending. You had forgotten God, that's why you have this birth. Why you have this birth? Janma Aishwarya Sutasri Bhi, Ehamana Madapuman, people are so egotistic. Mada, I am wealthy, I am educated, I am better than you, I am beautiful, I am strong, people respect me, I have so many employees, I am rich, I am woman, so many men are attracted to me, I am man, so many women are attracted to me, I am such a great person. Edhamana Madapuman, they cannot gain God. Either male or female, all are saying, in the eyes of God. So today is Ekadasi. We come out of ego and not eat grains, because we have eaten so much of food. Living entity cannot survive without eating something. So we had eaten so many things. If I was a snake, I was swallowing another snake. If I was a bird, I was eating somebody else. I was eating fruit sitting on a tree in some jungle. If I was a cow, I was eating grass. I was a aquatic, I was eating another aquatic. I was eating. Without eating, I never lived. So in this life again, as a human being, you eat, you are in trouble. Because after millions of births, you have received this human birth. Now see, let's discuss out of topic. We had millions of births in what? Look, the lowest category of birth in this creation, Jalajanavalakyani, aquatics. The lowest. There is 900,000 kinds of bodies. They live underwater. They live underwater. 900 Jalajanavalakyani, Sthavara. Lakshyavinsati, trees and plants are 20 lakhs. 2 million. Is it right? 20 lakhs become 2 million? You are sure? Okay, yes. Krumayo Rudra Sankhya. Krumayo means germs, reptiles. Reptiles and germs and bacteria. Rudra Sankhya 11 lakhs. 1,100,000. Is it right? I think so. Kruma Rudra Sankhya. Pakshinam Dasalakhyakam, birds. 4. Birds. Birds. Dasalakhyakam 1 million. See? Pakshinam Dasalakhyakam. Trisalakhyani Pasavaha. 3 million, 30 lakhs. Six. Yesterday, I think yesterday, day before yesterday, we discussed 6 categories are there, Lord Krishna appears. There are 6 categories in which we take birth. Humans. Chaturlakhyani Manava, 4 lakhs. 400,000. Total 84 lakhs. 8,400,000. Categories are there. There are 8,400,000. You can calculate there at home, because there is no more than this. There are only 6 categories. You have to come down in one of the categories. So if you have passed all of them, now you are a human being. Kiteshu koti janmasu manusatvam. Crores of births you have taken in that. Then you took a human birth. Kiteshu koti janmasu. Kiteshu with plural. Kiteshu koti janmasu manusatvam. You have taken a human birth now, and you think and you pose to others that you are a civilized person. Now see, Tatrapi koti janmasu Brahmanatvam. You take a crore of human births to become a Brahmin. Not this kind of Brahmin who's smoking bidis. Not this kind of Brahmin who takes tea or coffee. It's not like that kind of Brahmin who takes onions and garlic. It's not that kind of Brahmin who tells lies and studies Vedas just for earning money. Not that kind of Brahmin. Brahmin who knows Brahma Janati iti Brahmana. Brahmanasya Brahmano Gati. That kind of Brahmin. What? One whose sole goal is to know God. That kind of Brahmin who lives by the rules of Brahmana. So that kind of Brahmin. We are tatrapi koti janmashu Vaishnavatvam. After crores of perfect Brahman life, after crores of perfect Brahman life, one becomes a Vaishnava. See, Vaishnava is not easy. That's why any caste who becomes a sincere Vaishnava is better than a perfect Brahmin. Because Brahmin is, in Kali Yuga, is misdirected. They are all of them misdirected. Maybe 0.001% they are real, still existing, because earth did not go in sinking into Patala Loka. Because earth is still here. They are there. But we don't know where they are. Now, Vaishnava, either male or female or any caste, is better than a perfect Brahmin. Now, we are Brahmin or civilized person. We should be careful. How? We have eaten food in many, many lives. Today is Ekadasi, we should not eat food. Food means rice, dal, chapati, sabji, puri, kachori, something like that. Anything includes grains. Yani kani cha papani, brahmahatyadi kani cha. All kinds of sin, including killing of a pure Brahmana, they reside in the grains. Annam asritya tishtanti samprapte harivasare. Harivasara means Ekadasi or Janmashtami, Ramanavami. On these such days, Nrsimha Chaturdasi, Gaura Purnima, Sivaratri, we should not eat grains. Navadhanya, because that is Harivasara. Shivaratri is also Harivasara, because Lord Shiva, his devotee was born, he was given power, blessings for that day. That's why a Vaishnava fasts also on Lord Shiva's day, not thinking that Lord Shiva is God. No. Samprapte Harivasare. All kinds of sins of this universe, every category of sin, including killing of a pure Brahmana, reside in Navadhanyam on Harivasara. Papa Purusha lives on the grains. Now you may say, I am not follower of Krishna, I am follower of Hanuman, I am Ganesha Upasaka, I am Sakta, worship Durga, I have nothing to do with Krishna, therefore I can eat food. No! Na saiva, na saiva, na cha sauro hason, na sakta, gana sevaka. What is that? Neither you can eat grains as a Shiva follower, nor a Surya follower, nor a Chandra follower, nor a Hanuman follower, nor Sakta, Durga, Chandi, Kali follower, not Gana. Gana means Ganesha follower. You cannot eat grains on Ekadasi. Samprapte Harivasare. Not possible. You will not eat. So today is Ekadasi. We are very happy. We are all devotees, always happy. We'll read. These come in this 6th chapter, I am sure. It is Krishna is talking how devotee does not give up devotional service even though miseries come. So many problems devotees. I got a call from my secretary, American man, my god brother. He was my secretary 1983 to 1986. He was my secretary. Now he is a new secretary. So he called me because his wife is not a devotee. So his wife must have asked, why devotees suffer so many, goes through so many problems. Must have read in the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam somewhere in the purport, devotees have experienced some trouble. So he called me because his wife cannot call. Here we are devotees, all females. There America have all males. All whites and blacks. No Indians. I don't have any Indian follower in America because I go to America for Americans, not for Indians. Indians are already God conscious, they are eating meat knowingly. But Americans don't know. They ask me question FIU, Florida International University. One student stood up and said, because meat eating was the topic given to me, so I talked about meat eating, and the guy stood up and said, I thought it hangs like apple in the tree. They don't know. So unknowing. So, knowing and unknowing, no problem. He said, why devotees experience so many troubles? I said, Kali Yuga is giving trouble. Not Krishna is giving trouble. Krishna is removing trouble. Devotee is always happy, cannot give up.